Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Formatting Text to HTML with Python, Introducing the HTML Module. Introduction. Python offers a powerful module called HTML that allows you to format arbitrary text into nicely looking HTML. This module is part of the standard library, making it readily available for all Python developers. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the HTML module to convert plain text into HTML, providing you with code examples along the way. Table of Contents. 1. Installation, not required. The HTML module is part of Python's standard library, so you do not need to install it separately. You can start using it in your Python programs right away. 2. Importing the HTML module. To begin, you'll need to import the HTML module into your Python script. Here's how you can do it. 3. Formatting text to HTML. The HTML module provides a straightforward method called escape to convert plain text to HTML. This function escapes special characters in the text to ensure they are displayed correctly in HTML documents. Here's a basic example. In this example, the end characters are escaped, and the output will look like this. 4. Escaping HTML special characters. The HTML.escape function is particularly useful for escaping characters like and other special characters that have special meanings in HTML. It ensures that your text is displayed as is in the HTML document. Here's how to escape special characters in a string. The output will display the text with the special characters escaped. 5. Advanced HTML formatting. While the HTML module's primary purpose is to escape special characters, you can also use it to generate more complex HTML content programmatically. For instance, you can create HTML elements like links and lists using string formatting. In this example, we create an HTML link element with proper escaping. You can apply similar techniques to create more complex HTML structures, like tables, lists, or even entire web pages. 6. Conclusion. The HTML module in Python is a valuable tool for converting plain text into HTML format, whether you need to escape special characters or generate more complex HTML elements. By using this module, you can ensure that your text is displayed correctly and safely in HTML documents. Explore its capabilities further to make your HTML generation tasks easier and more efficient. Now that you've learned about the HTML module, you can start incorporating it into your Python projects to format text for HTML effortlessly. ChatGPT.